She set out on a journey to face the world. She gave lectures, met presidents, raised funds for research, and inspired countless women and girls to dream. In America, she was welcomed like a hero. In India, Japan, and across Europe, she lit up stages and classrooms alike. But she always remained the same. Quiet, focused, always speaking in a gentle whisper.
What could I learn next?
At the time, the dangers of radiation were not well understood. And after years of research in laboratories without protection, her body slowly began to fail. In 1934, Marie Curie passed away from aplastic anemia. There was no grand memorial, no lavish funeral. Just a quiet farewell. The final moment of a woman who had once illuminated the world. But her story did not end there. Exactly 1 year later, her daughter, Irène Joliot-Curie, together with her husband, received the Nobel Prize in chemistry, walking the same path as her mother. A legacy of women in science spanning 2 generations. Mother and daughter, side by side. 2 women, 2 Nobel laureates. Marie Curie showed us that science is not about fame. It's about asking questions and never giving up on the answers. What she discovered: she did not commercialize radium or file a patent for it. What she truly left behind was this belief:
knowledge belongs to everyone.
And this philosophy has influenced today's standards of scientific ethics. Your likes and subs keep me going.